Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'd like to talk about BLNK charging. This is one of my favorite EV charging company, super undervalued. And of course we want to have a look at the stocks and shares today. That's for sure. Stocks and shares, very important to me, to be honest. Now there's a list of information that we have to go through. Some good news recently. BLNK charging signs agreement with Bosch as official EV charging solution provider for GM dealerships. For General Motors dealership, this is a huge deal. Advancing EV adoption in Latin America, for sure. BLNK charging provides EV chargers to downtown Rockford in coordination with Region 1 Planning Council. But even more amazing, BLNK charging to unveil suite of new electric vehicle charging products at CES 2023. That's next month, January. But this is a huge deal. A lot of companies are going to be showing up to CES. A lot of companies that we like, including BLNK. So we want to have a look at the latest news. And of course, we want to have a look at the share price as well. Because right now, the share price is super undervalued. Seriously, $10 per share. The market cap is at 514 million. Super undervalued. Let's not forget that this is the same company that has been as high as $49 in share price. In early 2020, share price was cheap, around $1.69. Then it bumped up to 11, bumped up to around 10. So understand, this $10, $15, $14, this share price is extremely undervalued. So this is one of the most undervalued companies by far. This is why I wanted to talk about this today for many different reasons. So naturally, let's start with our CES news, because that's just around the horizon, just in January. That's going to be a huge event that I'll be talking about a lot, to say the least. Now, BLNK Charging, a leading manufacturer, owner, operator, and provider of electric vehicle charging equipment and services, announced that it will unveil 5 new products at the annual Consumer Electronics Show, CES, taking place in Las Vegas next month. Electric vehicle penetration is at the all-time high, with global sales in the first quarter that are up 75% from the same year period in 2021. And BLNK Charging is positioned to play a leading role in building out the EV charging infrastructure needed to fuel new electrified fleets. Another major step forward as the company expands its global footprint. These new products are designed to serve the increasing demands of EV markets across the US, Europe, Asia, Latin America, as well as offer greater option for advertisers and marketers looking to tap into growing EV charging ecosystems. So this announcement comes at the heels of several exciting developments at BLNK, including the showcase of 3 of its newest charging products, the MQ200, HQ200, and 30 kilowatts DC fast charger at the LA Auto Show in November, and the release of the entirely new rebuilt BLNK Network and BLNK Charging mobile app in October. In the same month, BLNK also announced its search for a new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in the United States, reaffirming its commitment to domestic manufacturing following a roundtable discussion with Secretary of Labor Marty Walsh. BLNK offers the industry-only complete end-to-end solution for EV charging ecosystem, power and electrification globally for consumers, fleet, businesses, retailers, developers, and municipalities, providing the most flexible in the industry. BLNK unique business model empowers personalized EV charging strategies that achieve customers' goals and ensure success, whether customers want to own, host, or operate their own charging infrastructure. So that's just the start to our good news for today on BLNK. That's only the start. Additionally, huge news. BLNK signs agreement with Bosch as official EV charging solution provides for GM, General Motors dealership, advancing EV adoption in Latin America. Ladies and gents, this is huge. So BLNK announced a collaborative agreement with Bosch as its official EV charger provider for General Motor dealerships in Mexico to deploy BLNK IQ200 family of charging products and services. And here's a quote said by Michael D. Farkas, exclusive chairman and chief executive officer for BLNK Charging. Here we go. And I quote, "We're excited to collaborate with Bosch to offer industry-leading equipment and our robust BLNK network to GM to help advance vehicle electrification in Mexico and throughout Latin America. The CEO also went on to say, as the Lat AM EV market continues to develop, we look forward to our continued cooperative relationship with Bosch to provide state-of-the-art EV charging solutions. BLNK is currently a member of Bosch GM dealership equipment program, most comprehensive program to workshop equipment in the market. The program aims to broaden the product offered and improve cost efficiency and effectiveness for GM after-sales services. This agreement will focus on providing charging infrastructure needed by GM dealerships as EV sales grow in Mexico, with potential to expand the program as the electric mobility market advances throughout Latin America. So there you have it, some big development for BLNK. Obviously, there's a lot of other news to go through that I haven't really spoken about as of yet. So if there's anything else you'd like me to talk about, let me know, and I will be sure to make an additional video to discuss these things. But before we end this video, we just want to have a look at some statistics. The reason I say this company is extremely undervalued is if you look at the shares outstanding. The shares outstanding is only 50 million. The reason why this company was so difficult to become this cheap is simply because they don't have a lot of shares in supply. They've only got 50 million in outstanding share supply, which means that for this share to 5x, it's actually relatively easy. As soon as more institutional investors start pumping money back into the stock market, especially in the EV area, you're going to see a jump in stock price from charging stations, from electric companies, including thus of BLNK charging. So yes, the company does have $500 million in valuation and market cap. That's just market cap. But remember, because the share supply is this low, it's very hard for this company to lose another $5 off their share price. Very difficult because of their low share supply. Share supply is a big thing. It does affect the share price. In the last month, this is what it's looked like for BLNK. The shares have continued to go down in price. So has many companies. So has many other companies such as ChargePoint, EVgo, Volta Charging. A lot of them have been losing value. So it's not just BLNK. It's the entire market. Nevertheless, that's it for this video. Long term, I'm still bullish. I'm still predicting BLNK to do very well long term. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. And of course, I will see you in our next video. Peace.